Here we're doing a problem from 7.2, number 45. It says cosine alpha is 2/5, cosine beta is 1/5, and both alpha and beta are in quadrant 1. Find sine of beta minus alpha. So I like to do this in this format because I can draw out some triangles, and that's very useful in this problem. It's hard to visualize the triangles. So first quadrant means I can always draw these triangles like the following. So we have cosine alpha equals 2/5. Being a first quadrant, I could just draw this kind of triangle. So this is my alpha. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it'll be 2 down here, 5 there. We'll call this B. And recall that what do we have here? It's 2 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. So 4 plus b squared is 25. B squared is 21, which means b will be square root of 21. Being first quadrant, we can just go with it. It's positive. Draw this over again. So this is 2 down here, 5 here. This side's the square root of 21. So this is my alpha. We're looking for sine of alpha, and sine is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse, so that's the square root of 21 over 5. Now we have for beta, cosine of beta is 1/5, also first quadrant, so I'll draw our triangle here, make this a little steeper this time. So it's adjacent over hypotenuse. This is our beta angle here. We'll call that B again. Then I'd have 1 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. It's 1 plus b squared is 25. B squared equals 24. So B would be the square root of 24, which is 2 root 6. Now, you can leave the square root of 24, 2 root 6, whatever. You can get a decimal approximation if you want. I just don't recommend that. So with all of our values put into the triangle, it looks something like this. This is the square root of 21. Nope, I'm sorry, wrong problem. 2 root 6. This is 1, and this is 5. Here's our beta. So sine of beta would be 2 root 6 over 5 because it's opposite over hypotenuse. Now we have everything we need to put this together. Sine of beta minus alpha is sine of beta times cosine of alpha minus sine of alpha times cosine of beta. Well, what's sine of beta? We just found it to be 2 root 6 over 5. Cosine of alpha was 2 over 5. Sine of alpha was the square root of 21 over 5. And sine of beta was 1/5. This gives us 4 root 6 over 25 minus the square root of 21 over 25. So an exact value final answer is 4 root 6 minus square root of 21 all over 25. And that's it.